So for reference, I have this drain end that you saw by the firewall, and that is clogged up right now. And I want to show the design that this is the tip that is getting clogged up right now. This is there to prevent any insects from crawling in your drain hose. Now what we're gonna do is snip out this end so that the clogged dirt and debris can pass through and the drain hose won't be clogged anymore. To get better access to the drain hose, I'm gonna take out this quarter panel cover. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 retainer clips on the inside and one on the outside. Once you take off those retainer clips, you just pop this off and it should be removed. So now we have better access to the drain end on the firewall side. Alright, so now we're clipping off the drain shield.